Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I create this peachy eye look. I hope you guys like it. So let's get started. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So first I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Base Magic Transforming Soothing Primer. So primer is a very important step when you start your makeup. It kind of makes a protective layer to your skin so that when you apply any product on the top of it, it protects your skin to getting the products get inserted into your skin. So it's a very important step before you start your makeup. Now I'm gonna start with my makeup. I'm using this palette from Makeup Studio, Red Neutralizer, to cut my darkness. Using this Color Bar Amino Skin Radiant Foundation. So it's a full coverage foundation. I'm using in the shade 003 Binge Mild. I'm gonna use this beauty blender from PAC to blend my base. Now with the same palette, I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, and for concealing I'm using this shade. I'm using this beauty blender. It's a small beauty blender. I got this from Westside. Now I'm gonna use the same concealer palette. I'm using this white concealer on my eyelids to get the maximum pigment of the eyeshadow. I'm using this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm using this color first on my crease. I'm gonna use this color on my eyelids. After placing the color on my eyelids, I'm gonna blend it with the crease. On my waterline, I'm using this Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil in the shade 003 Floral Frills. Now I'm gonna blend it with a brush. Now I'm gonna use Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil in the shade 004 Blooming Blue onto my waterline. Now I'm gonna make my brows. So first I'm going my brows with this spoolie. Now I'm gonna fill it with this L'Oreal Brow Artist Expert. I'm gonna use it with this angular brush. I'm taking the product in the brush. So before filling in my brows, I'm gonna underline my brows. So after underlining, I'm not gonna fill all over my brows. I'm just filling where I have less hair. So like here, I have less hair. So I'm just gonna fill it in here only. You see the difference? I have just underlined it. I didn't have filled it, and I have filled in the front. At the back, I just underlined it. So it's make a huge difference. So underlining makes you understand better about your eyebrow shape. So after making my brows, I'm gonna conceal my brows. After concealing, I'm blending it outwards. So after making my brows, I'm gonna use this brick palette from Makeup Revolution, Shimmer Brick Rose Gold palette. Using this white shade to highlight my brow bone area. So this is the brow bone area. I'm gonna use these lashes. Finishing off my eyes, I'm gonna use this Dior Plump and Volume Mascara. Now to contour my face, I'm using this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette in the shade Medium. I'm using it for contouring. I'm using this blush from Color Bar in the shade 011 Bronzing Glaze. For highlighting, I'm going to use this NYX 3 Step to Sculpt palette. I'm using this highlighter. I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes using this Shimmer Brick palette from Makeup Revolution in Rose Gold. We're using this white shade. Now to blend in my lower lash line, I'm using this blue color. To finish my look, I'm using this Color Bar Matte Me As I Am lip color in the shade 013 Leap. So my makeup is done. To set my base, I'm using this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.